Hello, folks. Clinton coming to you guys on behalf of Club Cash Fund. And today is May the 3rd. Just got a commission payment in the mail from Club Cash Fund. It was processed. I went to the post office May the 1st. And it got to me today, Friday, May the 3rd. And I already know what this is because in your back office it shows the amount of your commissions. This is actually a $420 week, and I'm using one hand, so forgive me if it doesn't come out right, but it should be $420. That's 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80, 420. So that's $420 in 1 week. And it has only gotten better and bigger. And this too can be you. All you need to do is just get started, get your link promoted. We have ways of getting that promoted via paid traffic if you have extinguished or have no free means to do so. That's what we're doing. It's all about leverage. And if you've seen this program or you've heard about it through email, get back with that person because this program is picking up steam and a lot of people are getting excited. And this is the perfect time and opportunity to get involved. Once again, Clinton Tyler showing you guys a $420 week. And I already have $260 for next week. And I still have tomorrow, Monday and Tuesday to go. So man, this thing is paying, and I can't say anything negative about this program. But once again, thank you guys for watching. Request your kit, get involved, get back with the person that introduced you to this program, and get started. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.